just a few minutes ago, and it's not pretty.
Got a bit of a tech sell-off this morning, and it's being caused by earth-shattering developments in the AI space.
DeepSeek has stunned the American AI industry by outperforming.
About DeepSeek because
DeepSeek?
Speaking a lot more about DeepSeek.
Emergence of DeepSeek now putting pressure on the U.S. tech names.
We should take the development out of China very, very seriously.
On January 25, 2025, the U.S. stock market saw one of the biggest sellout, which resulted in wiping out more than $1 trillion from the market in a single day. Nvidia's record stock plunge, judged to be the biggest market value drop in U.S. stock market history, saw more than $600 billion of its market value disappear, while its CEO, Jensen Huang, saw his net worth drop by nearly $21 billion in a single day. The world's top 500 wealthiest people lost more than $100 billion in stock market sell-off. But do you know the reason behind all this bloodbath? The launch of a Chinese AI chatbot named DeepSeek are one. But you might think there are so many chatbots already. So what's so special about this one? Before answering this, let's dive into the world of AI and chatbots before the launch of DeepSeek. On December 11, 2015, in San Francisco, California, a company was born with the mission of developing artificial general intelligence which is both safe and beneficial to all of humanity. The man behind this mission was none other than Sam Altman. As of 2025, OpenAI is known for the GPT family of large language models. The most famous and widely used ChatGPT comes under this model, the DALL-E series, which is a text-to-image model, and Sora, which is a text-to-video models. Microsoft owns approximately 49% of OpenAI's equity and have invested more than $13 billion. Next in the line was Meta AI, who has launched its own versions of AI by the name Llama, which also stands for Large Language Model Meta AI. It was launched on February 24, 2023. So how could Google stay behind in this race? On December 6, 2023, they also launched their version of AI by the name Gemini. It was developed by Google's subsidiary company named Google DeepMind, which is spearheaded by CEO Demis Hassabis. But do you know, even the U.S. government supported these tech companies.
The largest AI infrastructure project by far in history, and it's all taking place right here. Together, these world-leading technology giants are announcing the formation of Stargate. We'll put the future, a new American company that will invest $500 billion at least in AI infrastructure, creating over 100,000 American jobs almost immediately.
So let's see, what is DeepSeek? DeepSeek is an AI reasoning model developed by Chinese AI startup. It was founded in 2023 by Mr. Liang Wenfeng, who has graduated from the Zhejiang University in Information and Electronic Engineering. DeepSeek has its headquarters in Hangzhou. Let's see few major points which has made so much buzz around the world. In the span of just 48 hours after launching, DeepSeek surpassed ChatGPT on the Apple App Store and became the #1 app. If this wasn't enough, it has given all of its services absolutely free. Plus it's all open source. Let's see how cost-effective it is in comparison to OpenAI's O1 model. So OpenAI's O1 takes about $15 for a million input tokens, and $60 for million output tokens, whereas DeepSeek R1 just does all these for 55 cents per million input tokens, and $2.19 for 1 million output tokens. To summarize that, it's 96.4% cheaper than OpenAI's O1 model. It's negligible computing cost as compared to other big names. The story gets even crazier. They say it did all these with just 2,048 Nvidia H800 GPUs, which they bought before the US rolled out their export restrictions to stop the Chinese from developing latest and advanced tech. The US tech giants use much advanced versions of these GPUs, but if we compare the benchmark results of all these chatbots, they are scarily close to the advanced US-bred technology. OpenAI spent around $100 million alone on training its GPT-4 model in late 2023. That means DeepSeek R1 spent just 5% of what OpenAI did to get the same results, if not more. But the surprising thing is this is not the only AI tech which is present in China at the moment. As of last year, there were 1,328 large language models in the world, in which 36% of them were from China. But not just AI, China is slowly defeating US in more critical tech than you can imagine. Look at this data. China leads in almost all the major critical tech a superpower might need to maintain its hegemony. But as the world starts to accept more of these Chinese tech, the thing that concerns the world is how safe, neutral, and be coming out of China, and can the world trust China? Let me show you some examples of the answers which DeepSeek gave when it was asked about the Chinese government or the Taiwan conflict, or the Indian Arunachal Pradesh dispute, or in fact Xi Jinping. DeepSeek R1 just doesn't answer these questions. Till then, if you like the video and learned something new, please subscribe to the channel and share the video with your friends and family.